In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get a streak pet on TikTok and invite your friends to raise it together. First, open your TikTok app. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the bottom panel and tap on the inbox icon. Now, the TikTok streak pet feature is available in your direct messages. So go ahead and open any chat with a friend you want to raise a streak pet with. At the bottom of the chat, just above the text bar, you'll see the streak pet option. Tap on it. Next, tap Send Invite to invite your friend. This sends them a TikTok streak pet invitation to raise the pet together. Once you send the invite, your friend will need to accept it to start your streak pet journey. The streak pet feature helps you maintain daily streaks on TikTok, similar to Snapchat streaks. And that's it. You've successfully sent a TikTok streak pet invite. Just wait for your friend to accept, and you can both start raising your virtual pet together. If this tutorial helped you get your TikTok streak pet, please leave a like. Drop any questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.